Line of equation, class 10 ICSE math. If a line passes through the point 1, 2 and cuts the positive intercepts on the x-axis and the y-axis in the ratio 2:3, then find the equation of the line and its slope. Now answer to y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of line. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That is the equation of line with 1 point. Now m, this is x1, y1 is 1, 2, but we don't know m. Now this is your y, this is your y minus y1 is your 2, y minus 2 equal to m into s minus x1 is 1. Y minus 2 equal to m into x minus. Now m, what will be the m? Here given x-intercept and y-intercept as 2:3, that means 2x, 3x. X-intercept is 2x and 3 is y-intercept is 3x. Now we draw the diagram. Now see, this is your x-intercept is 2x, x-intercept 2x and y-coordinate is 0. S coordinate 2x, y-coordinate 0. Here y-intercept is 3, this is your 3x. This is your y-coordinate is 3x, s-coordinate is 0. Y-intercept 3, that means 3x, y-intercept, so s-coordinate 0, y-coordinate 3x. This is here s-coordinate 0, y-coordinate 3x, here s-coordinate 2x, y-coordinate 0. Now this is your x1, x2, this is your y1, y2. Now m, find the m. M, what will be m? Value of m? Value of m equal to y2 minus y1. Value of m is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. This is the value of m. Now put the value. This is your equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is 0, minus y1 is minus 3x. So this is your 0 minus 3x, 0 minus 3x divided by 2x, x2 minus x1, 2x minus 0, 2x minus 0. So this is your 2 minus 3x is minus 3x divided by 2x, that is equal to x is cancelled. So this is your how much? Minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Answer is m is minus 3 by 2. Now put the value here. This is your y minus 2, y minus 2 equal to m is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 x minus 1, x minus 1. Now this is minus 3 by 2 to 2y minus 4, 2y minus 4 equal to 2, this 2 is multiplied by y minus 2. Now this is your minus 3 will be multiplied to x minus 1, minus 3x plus minus plus 3, minus 3x plus 3. Now this is your 2y plus 3x, 2y plus 3x, minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, minus 7 equal to 0. 2y plus 3x minus 7 equal to 0 is the equation of. This is the answer.